Artificial grass is the perfect solution for California homeowners and contractors looking to conserve water while still enjoying a lush and beautiful lawn. Our artificial grass is designed to provide a range of benefits, for example, reduced water usage. Installing artificial grass can help reduce water usage by up to 70%, making it the perfect solution for homeowners who want to conserve water while still enjoying a beautiful lawn. Easy maintenance. Artificial grass requires minimal maintenance, so you don't have to worry about mowing or fertilizing your lawn. Plus, it's pet-friendly, so you don't have to worry about pet damage or messes. Durability. Artificial grass is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, making it a great choice for California homeowners who want a long-lasting and durable lawn. Cost-effective. Artificial grass is cost-effective in the long run because it requires minimal maintenance and can help reduce your water bill over time. Environmentally friendly. Artificial grass helps eliminates the need for fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides. Also, artificial grass is soft enough for kids and pets to safely play on. Contact us and get a free quote.